Hello everyone, today we're going to solve a simple algorithm. We have bottles to ship and they must be grouped into packages if they are 3, 6, 9 or 12. So let's go. I'm going to invent a function that we don't already have and write a test. So I know my bottle models have a item weight attribute, so I'm going to create a fake one just for the sake of the test, because I need to calculate the package total weight as well. And I'm using the same property name that corresponds to the attribute my actual model have. So let's say our weights are, we're going to start with a simple one and see if we can make a package out of it. Okay, so with 3 bottles of weight 1, 1 and 2, we need one package with weight of 4. Let's start with that. I have the PyTest watcher running right there. And let's start creating the thing. We need a package function with bottles. So I have no idea how I'm going to do that. Absolutely none. Guess I'm going to return packages list, and I don't know, maybe start easily. If we have like over three balls. Is that going to work? Oops, a bit of a little typo. Okay, so this works, of course. It's not really useful for what we're trying to do. So let's start parameterizing this. Have weights and packages. So let's add our weights here, expected packages there, and that will be for the first test case. I think that's gonna work. Okay, so I think that is that's what he's going to want. Yes, of course. I need to add it like this. I need to fix my typos, keep doing the same over and over again. Pretty funny. I'm going to start using the completion on this word, otherwise I'm gonna lose a bunch of time. Like this, it's gonna be nice. So let's say now I have another one, and I want 2 packages and one with another remaining ball. So we might want to start. Might want to have more output from this. Okay, so that's not working. So maybe we should start with even 12 and go from the biggest use case to the smallest one. So I'm gonna generate this. I want to generate ball sets with random weights, maybe not. For the moment, I'm just going to go ahead and do this in a simple way. So that's a bit heavy for a ball. I mean, we can have a magnum ball. It will be always nice. So maybe let's be a bit lazy and not calculate this ourselves. 24. So we have one. We're gonna have one package weighing 24 and one for the remaining ball. I don't think it doesn't matter really what order we package them in. I think the weight for the balls are pretty much all the same. I'm not sure if they have magnums or everything. So let's try to see how many packages we can, how many 12 ball packages we can do. Maybe divide and floor. Okay. Might wanna have a count variable just because it's gonna be nice. Okay, so let's see how many 12 ball packages we can have together. I'm gonna need the math library and floor balls. Okay, so that's gonna be the number of 12 ball packages that we are going to have, and we're going to see. So let's call it like this. And how many remaining? We might calculate the remaining later on. It doesn't matter for the moment. Okay. So let's just like create a packages. Iterate maybe on the balls. Or on the number of packages. Do I even need that? Yeah, no need to specify the start. I'm gonna have a number. Or can I enumerate them 12 by 12 or something like that? Let me check. There's not a step. There's not a step argument. Oh, I see. Maybe we are going to. Okay, let's build the packages one by one in enumerate. Okay, so what we have packages that append. No. Yes. I have the weights. We need to have the weights. Let's sum the weights from B in, and this is where we're going to slice our thing. So 12. That's package 12. Enumerate might not be what I want. I'm needing for range and step. Right. Yes. I'm in need for range. Give me some range. So start. This is the start. We're gonna start by 1 and stop when we have the number of 12 ball packages, and step by 12. Oh, might not even be. I'm going to call it number maybe into the number, and let's go return packages. And then I'm going to need to know the rest. Maybe there are some by 3. Let's see. Oh, so I'm going to remove the number of bottles that we've already packaged by 12. So 12 times 12, and that's the remaining number we have. And by the way, I should have been using counts. Not sure what happened when we start at 1 and we have 0. I'm hoping it's not going to enter the for loop, otherwise I wrap that in an if condition. Let's see how many 3 ball packages we can do. So let's go, and maybe I should have started the test first. I'm gonna maybe take care of the 12 layer. I'm gonna have the sum of the weights, okay, for every 3 ball packages, and that's gonna be removing 3 balls every time. And how many balls do I have left? Let's say we're going to add them to the package. Let's remove 1 to compensate for the offset, and that's it. Let's see what's that gonna look like. Probably is gonna yell at me. Okay, missing one of these brackets. What am I doing? Yes, I'm not supposed to have this. Okay, that's an old variable. So what do we get? Get 1 instead of 4. Where is my sum? My sum is not working. Okay, let's debug. Maybe create a variable for this. Gonna be a bit nicer. So here I'm really expecting. Oh, what about my breakpoint? Where is you going? Where are you going, interpreter? I don't know. Let's see. Okay, you detected I have 1. This is the first test case. I'm gonna have 1 package of weight 4. Alright. And yes, so my range, oh yes, 1 to 1 is not working. So let's call it rather index. And am I using number? Yes, so index plus 1. So I have absolutely no package. This is a complete failure. Let's go into the code, dive into the code. So number 3 is 1, right? Okay, great. What about my weights? Oh, that's not working. I was expecting to have all the weights of the 3 balls there. Yeah. I should not compensate for the offset there. If dot 0 is not gonna work. So here I do have my 4 balls. I want to have this. And I want to have a 3. I have 0. Okay, so oh, that was missing. That was missing parentheses. Keep doing this typo. Okay, so the sum is gonna be good. Packages, yeah, okay, so the first test, oh, it's failing anyway. Why is that? Trace back something? Take. This is the first test, it's not taking all my balls correctly. So let's break again. We are breakpointing. So what is that looking like? I do have 3 balls. They are okay, so this test only has 3 balls. So I'm supposed to have 1 package with the sum of my weights. What are my weights? Yeah, I'm supposed to have the sum of that. What is that? What is that returning? Do I need to expand parameters? No. So what are my packages? This is good. Okay. So anything count. I have 0 remaining. Perfect. Do I have something there? I shouldn't. Yes, the -1 was compensating for an offset that we don't have anymore. Okay. We're far from done. It sounds like a fun half an hour we're going to spend together, maybe an hour. So let's get the final results. It's appending all my balls. Why is that? Why? Let's go and debug and see if our variables. I didn't spend any second working on this problem prior to starting this video because I intend to send it and cancel in advance any meetings where they want to see how I work on crazy problems. This is an actual problem I'm solving for a friend, but it should also work anyway. This is fine. This is absolutely fine. Oh, and are we adding balls? Count. Yes. Oh, this is the 1, 2, 3. Oh, count is 0. It should not be count. Okay, we should have num3 times 3. So let's see what that looks like. I should probably have spent some time working on paper first, but it would have been cheating. So I'm just gonna brute force my way out of this algorithm. Okay, we have 1 pass test. Oh, 2 passed. Okay, so it's working pretty fine. Let's start. Maybe let's add 6 Ks. So here I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna have 9. No. Yeah, 9, 1, and 2. Because I have 6 ball package and 2 1 ball package. Pretty funny. Yes, we're selling bottles on the blockchain. life of a hacker. What can I say? I'm gonna get drunk just by coding with so many balls. Okay, let's see. So this is obviously going to fail. I need to check that it fails first. Okay, so it does fail. It does completely fail because it's starting. Yeah, I didn't implement the 6 ball one. So I'm gonna start with a copy paste, and I'm going to refactor this later on. Do I need also? So yeah, we need to start with. So let's see. Well, we need to start with those on the 6 packages. Let's see if I just copy and paste like this. It's not working because I want to have 1 package. So let's breakpoint and not like spend any time thinking about it. We could if we wanted to, but I mean, we can also brute force our way, and as Ken Thompson said, when in doubt, just brute force. So I'm supposed. Oh, I'm gonna comment out my all other tests, my 3 packages tests, because I don't want to break into them. I don't want, and I'm going to. Yeah, I'm actually never going to have more than 1 3 bottles package. Figuring that out. I have 1 3 bottle, 1 6 bottle, and another bottle. Damn. This is challenging. Maybe I should stop and actually think about it and work on paper. But let's brute force it. Yes, I'm only ever going to have 1. So maybe the first idea was not the worst. Let's see if 6. If we have between 6 and remaining balls. Okay, if we have between 6 and 9 balls. Let's just go like this for now. Okay, if we have at least 6 balls, we are going to have 1 6 ball package. Actually, this might end up a lot simpler than I thought, because those cases are not going to happen. Of course, for the 12 ball package, we're going to have multiple packages. So maybe this kind of complexity is going to be useful for for the last package type, but definitely not for the 3, 6, and 9 groups. Let's go with the weights. We're calculating some weights. So balls. Let's take the 6 first. Balls. It was over complicated. We're going to need that, but not for now. Okay, these are my weights. So this is my weight. I'm gonna have separate variables. It's gonna be nicer to hack inside the debugger. So I have gonna have one package of that weight, and let's say I'm gonna copy. I'm gonna make a remaining variable. I'm gonna deep copy just in case, because I know my actual objects are going to be more complicated than the ball mock. And do I need and I don't actually want this variable. I want to keep track of the remaining balls. So if I have at least 6 remaining balls, I want one package of the weight of the 6 first balls. And is this actually count or index? I don't remember. Let's check that out. Well, I could actually I want the first. Okay, so it's a number. It's not an index. Great. So this is going to give me the first 6 balls, and once I've packaged them, I'm going to remove them from the remaining one. So this is I'm going to have to count for the 0 there, right? Yes, okay. Perfect. And let's okay, let's maybe go with the 3 now. Okay, and this I'm gonna keep it for later on, because I know that we may have many 12 ball packages. We've seen that this code is sort of working already. And then, yes. Oh, it's much more elegant than it was before. So if I got those tests passing, I know I'm going to refactor both of these code blocks. I mean, the friend in question is not going to punish me for copy pasting this, but I mean, it's gonna be fun refactoring it, so let's have some fun. Okay, so what we have there? Oh, we have an extra one, so let's break. I'm not gonna answer this one. Maybe it's something with my index there. So remaining, I got my 4 balls right there. Here I'm taking the first 3. Yes. My weight is 4, that's what I wanted. So I have that package with my 3 balls, and this is remaining. And what about this? Oh, maybe, yeah, 2 balls. Okay, so no need for compensation actually. I'm supposed to have a 6. So how's that gonna look like? It's passing. What about with the, okay, we have the 6 and the Okay, so it's pretty good. We can now refactor, and that's gonna be a lot of fun. So, inner function, outer function. Well, there's nothing else in this model, so let's go with an outer function. And so the parameters are going to be, I don't know the name of the function yet. I know that's gonna be the code. I know the 6 is going to be the a variable. What are we gonna call it? We need to name things properly. That's half of the work. Capacity, package capacity, nice, I love it. Remaining capacity, and okay, return, otherwise return remaining. So we're even going to be able to get rid of the copy. And so what are we gonna call this function? Remaining capacity. Okay, let's start with underscore package. Oh, that's a bit. Oh, I'm not returning my packages. Wait. I need to return everything. Should I leave the remaining count outside the function? What is it gonna look like? So I'm gonna call package with my remaining balls and a capacity of 6. Oh, it's not package. It's gonna be called box. Box. Oh, is that not a reserved name? It's not. Great. Okay. So box. Just gonna return the weight of the box and leave the rest to that. So I'm gonna see. So how much am I going to be making a box? What's going to be the weight? Package the weight. Packages append. I'm going to be appending. Okay, so wait. So let's call it box 6. Okay, so did we create a box of 6 balls? If we did, let's append it to the packages. Boxes weight. And oh, Python is hating me right now. And okay, so let's make a box of, and I need to update the remaining. So remaining equals remaining. We said 6. Am I gonna drop this code? Yeah. I just need the final loop with the remaining items. So ball is not defined. Remaining. Oh, that was actually a pretty bad mistake that in the previous code. We need to be always iterating over the remaining balls, not the one I've already drank. Okay, so we're passing. This is good. Now I'm gonna add the 9 and I'm gonna want to refactor again. So let's say I'm gonna make a function to add the boxes. No, I'm gonna keep like this. So what do we have here? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, of course. 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's see what happens with 10. I want to add see if I can have a free box also. So I'm gonna add for 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, let's see what we get with that. Of course, it should fail because I didn't do the outputs. We have that one has failed, and because I have this instead of that and that, no, that's not good. Oh, I didn't add the 9 ball box. Okay, much better. So 13, 4, and 1. Yes, this looks like 3 packages. One with 9, one with 3, and one with 1 ball. So that is not bad. I might once I'm done with this, I might refactor this and make some better test script, because this is not really readable. Why do we have 13 now? Did I not have 14? Oh no, it's 13. My bad. I'm apparently unable to read. And oh. So I have my pack of 6. My 6 packs. My other 6 pack. Oh, I'm supposed to have 2 6-packs. And 1 and 2 1-pack. So why don't I have... Oh. No, I'm supposed to have 1 9-pack. I'm supposed to have 1 9-pack. And 1 3-pack. And 2 1-packs. So this is actually correct. Okay. So we can for box cap. Oh yeah, let's go with capacity. So what we have 3, 6, 9. Let's package all that. So let's go. Let's remove the 9. Oh, and call it capacity. That's not the right one. That's the right side of this column. And the remaining deleted code is debugged code. And not all the time. Oh, it's not in the right order. I need to fill in the 9 boxes first, and then the other ones. Okay, this is good. This is pretty nice. Now we can have as many 12 bottle packages as can be. So let's add one like this. Might want to refactor this little part. It's not very good. I'm gonna generate test cases. So if you look at my Git stuff, and if you look at what I've been working on all of the years, and all of the, I know I've been maintaining like 100 open source packages, so it's a bit hard to follow. But so first thing to know, I love testing. I've started testing in 2007 and working with Sebastian Bergman, by the way, who's the author of PHP Unit, and great guy, and very brilliant. So always been I've been into testing for a long time, and I like tests that write themselves because I'm very lazy. No, I've been doing volunteer work, unpaid work for a lot of stuff, a lot of causes that I like, and had to manage a steady flow of incoming patches by junior developers or people who wanted to contribute to a particular cause and were not even developers at all. So and we have to be nice with these people and try at all costs to integrate their patch so that they feel included and that we can brag about having so many contributors. And this is why I had to find really offensive, aggressive testing strategies to cover as much as possible and to prevent the users from breaking the code as much as possible to reduce the unpaid time I would be working on these volunteer projects. So tests that write themselves, one of my big specialty. You can find Django dbdiff, Django responddiff, two PyTest plugins that write tests and that are absolutely great to use. I know some friends of mine are using it, and yeah, I think it's like the best thing since sliced bread. Also, my Cli2 package has auto writing test feature. So it's not that I'm lazy, but I want to have the best return on investment as I can of my development time, because I have so many problems to solve. I need to spend the least time possible. So let's find a way to generate our cases. So we are going to be randomly generating a few of these. So let's say instead of this, I want. Also, I'm going to actually call one guy, and it's going to be, let's say, scenario of I want 4 bottles and 2 packages. I think we can do that. So num bottles and num packages. Yeah, that's gonna be enough. So I'm not going to start doing that. I'm going to start testing. I'm going to be testing my my test generator. Oh yeah, I love when it comes like this. I love it. Recursion. Do not have to lose ourselves into recursion, but we can have some fun. So let's say I'm calling scenario with that case with 4 balls and 2 packages, and I'm gonna get balls. I'm gonna get, yeah, so this is, it's not necessary. I'm gonna get balls, I'm gonna get packages, and I want to have 4 balls because that's what I'm passing there, and I'm gonna have 2 packages. Is this ridiculous? Is it? No, it's actually pretty nice. I'm gonna start like this, and I'm gonna even parameterize it. Oh god, this is a lot more fun than I expected. Okay, so we import random. Yeah, I know the stdlib pretty well. As you know, I'm a Python contributor, and they have been doing, and I try to have the least possible number of dependencies that I can in every of my development, which makes me a really great fan of the Python standard library, to which I have contributed some security fixes to save the president. Yeah, the actual Elysee, the presidential house chat system was affected by a security bug that I fixed it after it was disclosed. So random.randint, is that right? Randint, where we have like min and max or something. Yeah, of course, it's pretty obvious. So let's say I want to. Okay, let's start with this kind of weights. Let's start with this kind of weight. So I'm going to enumerate. I'm going to be creating the balls. I'm going to be creating packages. And I'm going to be creating them after. So for number in, not enumerate again. I should be using range. Start at 1 and do num balls. Ball.append. Let's do something like that. Be 1 and 2. Should be fine. Okay, so this is going to be creating balls with a random weight. Now, how are we going to calculate the packages? So without without resorting to that actual function we just developed. Yeah, I think we can't. It's gonna be too much recursion. Am I stuck with having this? This is gonna become more and more unreadable. Now I know I can trick, but if I want to have random weights, do I care about having random weights? I mean, come on. Do I have to be like testing the same function? I think not. So I think I'm gonna go with ones, just ones. Maybe I can have one test to test that we're calling sum right. But no, yeah. So here, because if I want to do that, I have to actually implement the thing again. It's gonna be ridiculous. Because if my subject function is used to generate the testing scenarios, I'm checkmating myself, and it's dumb. So maybe let's be a little less ambitious for now and delete the code. I delete a lot of code. I'm the kind of guy who doesn't hesitate to write code and trash it. So let's say I want to have 3 balls. How am I? Can I generate? Yeah, maybe I can generate something like 1. Does this create 3 balls? Yeah, 3 balls. Okay. So I might just define a little function. So let's say here I'm gonna have. I wanna have like 4 balls of weight 4 and 1. Is this good? No, it's now they all weight 1. So I think we're still going to be testing this. We can keep like just that guy, just that test, you know, and we can. I mean, that's enough. And we can add a 3 here and go like this. And this like. Okay, I'm gonna even comment this here. Okay, this is looking pretty fine. So let's go with 7 balls. I'm gonna have a package of 6 and 1 remaining ball. Let's go. Let's kill this. I'm gonna have, I want to have a 3-pack, a 6-pack, so that's 9 balls, and the remaining one, so let's say 10 balls. So I have 6-pack, a 3-pack. Actually, weighting 1 per ball is pretty good, because we see clearly here we have a 6-pack, a 3-pack. This is not bad. Not the worst we could do. Oh, yeah, because we have 9. Oh, yes, it's not good. Okay, so. Okay, yeah, we package by 9. So if I do this, I'm gonna have a 9 package. Indeed. Well, let's even push the thing. Say we're gonna have it like that. So now we're going to resort to the more complex algorithm we've had before. So let's say I'm gonna start with 1/12 pack. No, it's not needed. We already know how to do that. So let's say I want let's even make it clear. So I have like a 12. I want 9, a 6, a 3, a 1. So this is like the most complex use case our code is gonna cover. And what packages we're gonna have? We're gonna have a 12. We can do very nice refactor actually. We can like call the operator thing. How does that work? I can't remember. Operate. No. Where are the operators? Okay. We do have this. So I'm getting a bit away of myself. Yeah, the operator module. So what am I? Operator? Yeah, it's working. So why am I looking at the documentation? I don't need it. So yeah, we can do that later. For the moment, I'm gonna concentrate on this and see if we have time. I don't know how long we've been recording. I don't care because I'm not gonna move from my chair until I have finished that. So let's say then I want a 9 package, a 3 package, and 1 lonely ball. So now we're going to fail. Hopefully, if it's working, then this is really not what we want. So now we're going to be using something like that, right? So let's see. So how many 12 balls pack? Let's clean up behind us. It doesn't hurt. So let's see how many 12 packs we can do. So let's replace 3 by 12. And that code was working, right? Can I like... That's what it's been doing, right? No. Yes. Actually, yes. Okay, count. What's that's not like an old. Okay, then remaining. So did I like not add the /g? Oh, what? Oh, balls. Yeah. So then no, that's zero code. What is it doing? Oh, index. So let's break into this and debug. So how many 12 packs? Oh yeah, and by the way, we don't want to stop. Hey, please keep watching the video because when we're going to refactor this, it's gonna be like super fun. I swear, you're gonna love this. It's like some meta programming action going. I'm expert in meta programming. I love it. There's no meta class here. Really sorry about that, but we need a more complex problem to start doing meta classes. Okay, so how many do we calculate? Oh, what really? What? How many? Yes, of course it's going to regroup into 12 others. So the thing is actually working. So what can I do? Like this. This is pretty vicious. This is pretty vicious. Is that working? Come on. Yeah, so that's not fine. I don't want to have boxes of 24, 33. What? Okay, so maybe okay. So this was probably not the problem, but let's use this variable to be consistent with the rest. And every time we're removing a 12 bottle slice. So oh, again 3. Yes, of course. Yeah, no, there's no, of course, so I cannot use the 9. Okay, so let's say with 6. I want to check that this is working first. And it's packaged by 9. Oh no, it really can't. 12, 12, we have our 2 first boxes. Then it's building a 9 box and a 3 box. Okay, so it's inventing bottles. The code is drunk already. Ladies and gentlemen, our code is drunk. Let's try to sober it up. Okay, so weights we have. So the first two I find. Let's break on line 10, 18. So this is will be the second one. I did calculate the appropriate number of. Okay. What do you mean? Oh. Okay, the debugger is also drunk. Too many balls. Remaining. Oh yes, of course. This is absolutely not good. So I'm not even gonna need this variable. Nice. This code keeps getting nicer. I had no idea. But we get a 9 one. We get a 9 instead of a 6. So nope. Nope, you don't have a 9 ball package. You just don't. Yes, because we have how many remaining? We have a lot of remaining. 12. This is not good. Had 31. Yes. 31 is the number. But there's only 2 times 12, so I should have 7 remaining balls instead of 12. So that's probably a cute little bug. I don't need to deep copy it. I'm always like recreating a new variable from a slice, so there's no need for the copy. But let's see exactly. So I'm gonna want to break rather here, because as we've seen, this is gonna iterate a lot of times, 12 times on the same line, so it's gonna be boring. So we're on the first iteration. We have had one package. Have one package, and how many remaining balls do we? Oh Jesus, this is silly. Sorry, my bad. Just the code is not drunk. It's apparently a bit between the keyboard and screen and chair. Sorry, between keyboard and chair. Okay, so we can have all this, but we're gonna remove it because now I want to refactor this. We can have we can do something pretty nice there. So that's gonna be scenario of 12, 12, 6, and 1. And this, I want this to return the balls and the packages. And I think we can check it out. Scenario numbers. How we call it? Let's go with args. Let's go with args. So I'm gonna have a balls. It's like weights. Yeah, I'm gonna have like, okay, let's call it balls. We call it and packages. And for arg in args, first calculate to total. Can I do that? Yes, probably, very likely. So I'm gonna have a total of these balls. So my balls are gonna be a ball mock of 1. I'm gonna weight it 1 by default. I mean, come on, it's not gonna hurt anyone. I'm gonna have a ball mock do I have to start with 0? I don't remember. The signature of range. Am I? Yes, I'm confused with enumerate. Okay, so this is gonna be creating 1 ball per the total of balls, so this is good. And now our packages are actually the args. This is so fun. Look at this. Look at this beautiful. Oh my. Oh my, this is absolutely beautiful. Is that gonna work? Let's go. No. So, int and ball mock. I'm not supposed to have ball mocks and balls? Oh no, we're creating a ball mock there. Okay, hey, what about not even creating what about? Oh no, but I have that weight test. So I'm not going to be creating the ball, I'm just going to be, yeah. So I mean, I'm just going to be expanding this. No. I'm going to have 1 for, okay. I have that. I might want to test my, oh, okay, so it's working. We just have a type thing, test scenario. So I said scenario 1. This is gonna return. I want this to return a tuple of. So we're dealing with lists, so I want to have a list of 1, 1, 1, 1, because here we have. We're giving many balls. Maybe just to reflect more what we're doing. I'm gonna have those balls and this package. So sorry, I promised we would be using operator. We're not. We just have sum. So hope you have the sum. And okay, so what do we have? Do we have like to? Okay, wants me to typecast this into a list. Is that right? Okay, pretty good. Let's start removing some old code. So I'm gonna have like a bunch of scenarios. So this is the more complex one. What did we have? We had 3 1 6 3 1. Oh no, this is going to be creating an this is going to be creating. I want to also test that we have a remaining one. This is going to be creating a 9, so I don't want to fall into the trap again. I fell in the trap. Of course, this is going to be 12. So okay. So this was shorter than I thought. So this is the little algorithm we produced. This is the tests we produced. We might copy and paste it. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Have a great day, guys and gals, ladies and gentlemen. I hope my recording was working. Okay, bye bye. Have a great day.